Hello and welcome to Calculus lesson 147. Today we are going to substitute in the power series. Now I love substitution because it reminds me of Jesus' death on the cross. And although that's not a super happy topic, the resurrection is. Now Jesus took our place when we were destined to die forever, to be separated from God, and he said, I'm going to take that spot. Now, every time I come to a problem on substitution, I like to think about that, because it reminds me that every single time Jesus chose, he didn't make that choice and go, oh man, I messed up. No, he made that choice knowing every single time I would mess up. And that's crazy. So you too can believe in Jesus. And hopefully you do. So let's find the power series representation for sine of x squared. Now, here's the idea. What we're going to do is we are going to find this power series for sine of u, and then once we're done, we're going to plug in x squared. So what is the power series for sine? Well, if you remember your Maclaurin polynomial, and I hope you do, it is 1 minus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x to the 5th over 5 factorial minus x to the 7th over 7 factorial, and so on. Remember, sine is all the odd powers, cosine is all the even powers, because sine is an odd function, cosine is an even function. Now, I am simply, these are all u's. Now, we're simply going to plug in x squared for u. So x squared cubed is x to the 6th. X squared to the 5th is x to the 10th. X squared to the 7th is x to the 14th, kind of ugly, and so on. And so that's our power series for sine of x squared. Let's try this one. We did this series in the last lesson, 1 over 1 minus x, just 1 minus x. Now we're going to do it with 1 minus x cubed. So what is the power series for 1 minus x? Well, let's start with 1 minus t, where t is x cubed. This series is the following: 1 plus t minus t squared, plus t cubed plus t to the 4th plus so on. Now I'm going to substitute in 1 over 1 plus x cubed. So this gives me 1 plus x cubed plus x to the 6th plus x to the 9th plus x to the 12th, and so on. So we can find more complicated power series by starting with the basics that we already know, the simple ones, and then just plugging in, rather than redoing the whole Maclaurin polynomial sequence. So that, my friends, is problem set 147.